Hey YouTube, right here I have a 2010 Rockwood Premier. This is their 1904 model. It has an electric lift, storage in the front, and a toilet inside. Let's check out this pop-up and let me know what you think. Alright, a lot of people come and ask about pop-ups that have electric lift systems on them, and a lot of people ask about toilets in a pop-up. So weirdly, this offers both because it is pretty uncommon out there. So this has a battery up front, 20-pound propane tank, manual tongue jack, and a 2-inch ball. It does come with trailer brakes and the electric lift system. All we're going to do is when we set this thing up or we close it down, in order to lift and raise the actual lift, your actual roof, all you're doing is pushing a switch. So beyond that, you have your poles underneath, stabilizer jacks on the corners. Outside storage, it's going to let you access what you could access over here and put underneath here. Right inside this one right now, we have our outside grill. So over here, we've got our step, AM/FM radio, porch light, outside speaker, 110 outlets. Right here's our grill mount, our little rail that we can put our outside grill on, or you can buy table accessories for. Down here is going to be our outside propane connection. Then we go over to the back where you can see the poles underneath, spare tire. Getting over into the connection points, coaxial cable. This is for if you're camping at a campground or your house, and this is going to connect your city water connection. Right here is where you can run a hose through and inside. Then we get over into this spot, which is our shore power connection, standard 30-amp plug. Then we get into our potable water, which is filling our fresh water tank. This is when I'm going off-grid or pulling over on the thruway and I need to use a water pump to get pressure. Then we get into our furnace exhaust. Our fridge, this is our fridge access panels. All right, sorry for throwing that at you. And that's how we're turning it on and off. That actually looks like just a propane fridge. Now we're getting into our sink drain and our outside shower with hot and cold water. And this is our water heater. Now, let's walk on inside and I'll show you the inside of this baby because it's starting to rain out here now. That's better. All right, so right up front, we will have the queen size bed. This is an actual residential style queen at 60 by 80 inches. Then over here, we've got our little countertop space with a perfect spot to store all your gear. You know, I throw my tools in there. Things that I don't need to access when this is closed up. You know, anything that I need to access while it's closed, I store in my outside storage. All right, then over here, this you can get into your outside storage from. Then we're getting over into the kitchen area with our sink cover, our stove top with a 3-burner stove. This just pops right down. Drawers. And right here's our ice box. Or not ice box, this is as we just saw, a propane fridge. Some accessories down below, fans. Little access panel over here. It does have storage in there. Then we get over into the dinette area. This folds down into folds down onto the brackets right here, and that turns into a bed, normal dinette style bed. Over in this bed, this is only a 48 by 80, so it's the same length. It's quite long, but only 48 inches wide. So we are seeing that this is a cool U-shaped dinette table too. It is pretty weird how it has a dinette here, then it gets into a full couch back in the back wall, and does go over into this section. Then in this section, if we take out this cushion, this is what offers us our porta potty spot. Which, I mean, if you need to go, you need to go. If you know, you know. So, and then over here, a little bit more cabinet space or countertop space with a few drawers in there. This is the 2010 Rockwood pop-up. Again, 15-foot long, just over 1,900 pounds, and it is a cool little camper that does have the electric lift, does have a porta potty in it, and plenty of room for the family. So, thanks for watching the video. Please subscribe. Come back for more.